Banda lelo nalingito yakola ndenge ya Kotanga na Lingala. Dear brothers and sisters, today I want us to learn how to count in Lingala. Toko Banda na Libungutulu, Toko Banda na Kotanga Libungutulu, Tina Nantuku Mintano. We'll start counting from 0 up to 50. Let's see how this is done in Lingala. We are going to start counting from 0 up to 50, 1 to 50. In Lingala, Kotanga means counting, and it also means reading. The same way it means reading, it also means counting. So Lingala is a language of few vocabularies. You might find that one word is used to mean more than one word. A word is used to mean one word has several meanings. So like here, Kotanga is counting, as the same way it is for reading. So we are going to start counting from 0. 0 in Lingala is Libungutulu. Libungutulu is 0. Then 1 is Moko. 2 Mibale. 3 is Misatu or Misato. 4 is Minei. 5 is Mitano. 6 is Motoba. 7 is Sambo. 8 is Mwambe. 9 is Pigwa. 10 is Zomi or Ntukumoko. It depends with the context. The context the word is used. Then 11 is Zomi Namoko. That's 11. 12 is Zomi Namibale. 13 is Zomi Namisatu or Zomi Namisato. 14 is Zomi Naminei. 15 is Zomi Namitano. 16 is Zomi Namotoba. 17 is Zomi Nasambo. 18 Zomi Namwambe. 19 Zomi Nalibwa. 20 Zomi Nam 20 is Ntuku Mibale. Sorry. Ntuku Mibale is a word for 20. 21 is Ntuku Mibale Namoko. 22 Ntuku Mibale Namibale. 23 Ntuku Mibale Namisato or Misatu. 24 Ntuku Mibale Naminei. That's 24. 25 Ntuku Mibale Namitano. 26 Ntuku Mibale Namotoba. 27 27 ntuku mibale na sambo, 28 ntuku mibale na mwambe, 29 ntuku mibale na dibois, that's 29. So when we reach to 30, changes to ntuku misato. Ntuku misato is 30. Ntuku misato na moko, 31. Ntuku misato na mibale, 32. Ntuku misato na misato, 33. Ntuku misato na minei, 34. Ntuku misato na mitano, 35. Then we have ntuku misato na motoba, which is 36. Ntuku misato na sambo is 37. Ntuku misato na mwambe, 38. Ntuku misato na dibois, that's 39. Now the narrative changes when we get to 40, which becomes ntuku minei. Ntuku minei na minei is 40. Now from here we have ntuku minei na moko, which is 41, sorry. Ntuku minei na moko, that's 41. Ntuku minei na mibale, that's 42. Ntuku minei na misato, 43. Ntuku minei na minei, which is 44. Ntuku minei na mitano, 45. Ntuku minei na motoba, 46. Ntuku minei na sambo, 47. Ntuku minei na mwambe, 48. Ntuku minei na dibois, that's 49. Ntuku mitano. Now the narrative changes to ntuku mitano, which is 50. We have reached the end of our counting from 0 up to 50. So we'll continue. I'll show you the other way of counting as we continue. But for now, I think that is enough for you. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more. Thank you very much for your time.